Hi everyone, this is Aria with Alakazam Apps. I'm super excited to be showing you the Places 2.0 plugin. Guys, there's been so many people kind of asking how does this work and stuff like that, because there's been a couple of businesses that have been really making some really good money. So I'm here to show you exactly how it works and how you can set it up. So this, of course, is the home screen of where you'll be starting, and if you don't have it already, you want to go into the marketplace, which is under the features tab. So you can, of course, type it in here. It's called Places 2.0, or you can just click right here because you see it pop up. And I'm just going to hit add. And I actually already have one set up, but I'm kind of gonna bring you through it again. And today I'm just going to show you restaurant examples. So, of course, you want to make sure that you type that in and add it here. And once you add it, it's actually going to pop up. So I'm going to go to the one that we already have. It's right here. You see that? It does say restaurants and it does say Places 2.0. I'm going to click on that. And now this is exactly what it looks like from the back end. There's categories. It's really cool, guys. You can break it down into categories. Vegetarian, fast food. You can do anything that you honestly want to do. Today I'm actually going to add a gourmet category, which is super fun, right? So just going to type it in, gourmet, and add the category. So take a look. You can actually edit it right here. You can edit it. You can change the name. You can save. You can delete it. And here, if you kind of scroll down, you see that you're going to add a location. But before I even get into that, I want you guys to see the way that it views on the phone. So it's pretty cool. There's two views, right? There is a view of the actual map, is what you see here. You can kind of zoom out and see, okay, we are looking at the Philadelphia area, right? And kind of zoom all the way out in different states. So you see here, there's already two locations that we have in, and you'll kind of see that I'm going to add another one here. So that's the first view, the view of the map. The second view is if you hit this little menu bar, you can actually see a list of them. So of course, once you add more locations, you'll be able to kind of scroll down and see multiple restaurant locations, but right now we only have the two. And you can actually go back to the home page and kind of maneuver like that. But I'm going to go back to where we were and kind of work through it, okay? All right, so cool. We are now going to add a location, right? So I added the category gourmet, and I already kind of have a location in mind that I want to add because it's pretty cool. And what I'm going to do here is click the add location one. So of course it tells you everything that you want to have. You want to have the title, you want to have the subtitle, right? Today we're going to be adding blazing flavors, right? Boom. So that's the name of it. You can do subtitles if they're in, a specific plaza, maybe on the corner of different locations and stuff like that. And then it brings me back to the category that I actually added at the top. It's so cool. I'm going to click gourmet, right? This is like gourmet sweets and stuff like that. They have really cool foods and pretzels. And then it's asking me to add the address. And of course, you do see the little asterisk here, so they are required. And the really cool thing about this is if I were to type it in, it actually already generates. So I think that's awesome, where you really could type it in here and find out the information. It says, hey, there's one location called Blazing Flavors. It says Germantown Avenue, right? Philadelphia. So I can click on that. But in the case that you don't have the exact address, or you don't see it pop up here, I actually already did the Google search. And you see, boom. If I wanted to be very specific, I would just copy this location here, the 2406 Germantown Ave, and go back into my control panel and then just enter it here. But something that's really important, guys, you just want to make sure that you are making sure this map here pops up, because the address won't be valid if it doesn't. So if you scroll down, it asks you to give a description. Now, what do they mean by that? The thing that you can do is maybe even add the description of when the location is open, from the times when they open to when they close, maybe even what the restaurant is about. This is a gourmet restaurant, has different pretzels, or even finding the about us to what that restaurant is all about, right? If you keep kind of scrolling down, let me actually go back. I'm going to add the information here. Let's put gourmet desserts. And then you can even put open. Let's check the location. It says it opens at 1 p.m., right? opens at 1 p.m. Perfect. And then contact information. Now, what does this mean? That means that you can literally add the contact information for the user to click, contact them in any way, right? Visit their website to check out the menu, maybe even call the number to make reservations or even place an order, whatever contact information you want to add, right? So I'm going to hit call the number, and we're going to hit the action button to call now, and just add the phone number, right? Okay, and save it. So now you see, boom, the contact information is already there in order for them to click on it and kind of find out more information. Here it asks for image carousel. So I usually like to put the image carousel and the list image as the same to kind of make sure that they are on one accord. And let's just add maybe a picture of a really good looking pretzel. One second. All right, awesome. You can even add like their business photo that they already have. I think this is cool. I don't know if they have cupcakes, so let's choose this one. Perfect. All right, so you want to enter the image. It actually, the cool thing about it is it gave me 3 of the images. I'm just going to choose one. That kind of just means that it's going to slideshow through all of those images that I chose. Let's just choose that one and then choose the same thing for the list image. And this that's popping up is actually the media section where you can actually add maybe their personalized business photo or even go into stock images where there's like literally an inventory of a bunch of images you guys can use. So let's use the same one here and then insert. Perfect. So now it's asking me to save the location. Boom. So we now have the gourmet category, and under the gourmet category is the blazing flavors, right? So if I'm looking at this, it actually brought me onto the map. Let me zoom out. Boom. And you see it's right over here, guys. If I click on it, what does it show me? It actually shows me how far it is away from me, right? You can actually view more. Let's take a look. Okay, this is actually the description that you've already entered, the name of the business, the photo, everything is already here. Let's click to go back. Boom. And then it's cool because you can actually hover over them if you didn't want to view more. You can kind of exit that one and even say, okay, boom, maybe I want the fast food restaurant, McDonald's, that's on Walnut Street, right? It kind of shows you exactly how far away that is from you. Boom. The Bear Burger, the vegetarian restaurant in Philadelphia as well. So it's really cool. And what you're able to do is, like I said, you can add the photos, you can add the description, the contact information here on this feature, but really thinking about, okay, how can my business make money, right? Which is so exciting because you think about it and you're like, okay, have you guys ever heard of Yelp, right? Yelp makes money because what? They are a directory, right? They have literally different restaurants on their platform and they're just bringing users to the restaurant, their ratings and different things like that. And you can actually do the same thing, right? Let's say you have 100 restaurants that you would like to add on here, and in order to get them on the platform, let's say it's $29.99, right, per month, and that's literally you monetizing, having the reoccurring payments. That's $2,999 for having, different restaurants on your platform where users are literally able to click and say, hey, I want to go here, I want to check this place out, I want to rate this place and stuff like that. So guys, it's a really cool plugin, really cool feature. If you haven't checked it out, just make sure you go ahead and check it out and really make it a part of your platform. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to reach us at support@alakazamapps.com. Thanks guys. Bye-bye.